You're viewing the installation video for 96 to 98 Honda Civic front lip.
Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation.
Please fasten the chin spoiler to your front bumper with any self-tapping screws. Pull the chin spoiler firmly toward the other side of the front bumper. Hold down the chin spoiler in position to fasten the front bumper with the self-tapping screws.
Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.